CapCut storage errors usually point to one of two places: your device or CapCut Space. Installation needs local room for the app and temporary files, while Space stores projects, drafts, and media in the cloud. If CapCut will not download or install, first check compatibility. The official help page lists an outdated operating system, unsupported hardware, network problems, and system restrictions among the common causes. For a local storage warning, delete unused apps, videos, or cache files. Leave extra free space beyond the app size because CapCut also needs room for temporary installation files. After clearing space, restart the device and try the download again. This refreshes the system after cleanup and is the first practical retry step in CapCut's installation guidance. If the download still fails, check the connection. Use stable Wi-Fi, avoid restricted public networks, temporarily turn off a VPN or proxy, and reconnect before trying again. The App Store itself can also be involved. Close and reopen the store, sign out and back in, or clear the Android Store cache and download CapCut only from an official source. System permissions may block installation even when storage is available. Review installation permissions and security settings, then re-enable any antivirus or firewall protection after a temporary check. A different message appears when the problem is CapCut Space. CapCut Pro includes 100 GB of cloud storage, and reaching that limit can stop new uploads or additional synchronization. Before paying for more cloud space, remove unused or duplicate projects, exported videos you no longer need, and temporary or draft files. These are the cleanup categories CapCut lists for reclaiming space. High-resolution videos, including 4K projects and many projects at once, can fill the included cloud quota quickly. If the same account is used across devices, remember that space is the cloud area for those projects and assets. If cleanup is not enough, CapCut lists expansion options. Pro provides 100 GB, Teams provides 1000 GB, and additional packages can add 100 GB or 1000 GB. The page states a 3000 GB maximum total capacity. CapCut says Pro Cloud Storage also enables cross-device access, so you can begin on one device and continue on another. This is useful when the local device is tight, but it does not remove the need to manage cloud capacity. Some space errors are not storage-full errors at all. Slow loading, missing files, synchronization delays, and unexpected errors can come from temporary limits, an unstable network, or an outdated CapCut version. For those space problems, close other memory-intensive applications, switch to a stable network, and update CapCut Desktop through Settings, Version, and check for updates. Do not uninstall CapCut during an update because local projects may be affected. The complete sequence is: free local space, leave room beyond the app size, restart and retry, then check the network, store, and permissions. If the warning is cloud-related, clean old space files or expand storage. If the problem continues, use feedback with a detailed description, screenshots, or a screen recording.